Hey everyone, today I want to chat about how I pick a wood finish for my model ships. Over the years, I've tried a bunch of different finishes, but I always seem to come back to 4 that works really well for me. Each one has its own pros and cons. To compare them, I've made 4 identical wood plaques using leftover planking from my Will Everard build. Alright, let's start with the first one, a gel-like water-based satin varnish. I really like how easy it is to clean up and how efficient it is. Usually 2 coats are enough to get a nice finish. The downside, it can be a bit tricky to apply on uneven surfaces, and over time it has a tendency to yellow. Next up, boiled linseed oil. This one is super easy to apply and it gives a really nice natural look, bringing out the wood grain beautifully. But there is a catch. It takes forever to dry, sometimes 2 to 3 days. Plus, it might need some maintenance down the line. Third on the list is the most budget-friendly option, Pledge Floor Polish. It works on almost any surface, including plastic, and it dries really fast. The main drawback? It can leave a high gloss finish, which might not be ideal for a wooden ship model. And finally, we have Rust-Oleum matte spray. This one definitely offers the best protection for a ship model. The trade-off is that you have to use it outdoors. And if you are not careful with the application, it can end up looking hazy or uneven. Alright, now all the plaques are dry, let's compare them side by side. Let me know in the comments which finish you'd go for on your next ship model. Of course, there are other options out there, like the polyurethane or lacquer, but personally I find them a bit too shiny. My go-to is always boiled linseed oil. It gives my model a warm, rich finish that I really love. Thanks for watching. I will see you next time.